Hey guys, welcome back to Eat Green Delight's Kitchen. Today we're going to learn how to make fried chicken cutlet. So I do have 4 slices of chicken already here. What I did, there were two pieces of chicken, and I did cut them in half, and then pretty much I pound them with the meat pounder, and they kind of got a little more flat. They got a little more bigger. Okay, so we're gonna have 4 pieces of chicken. This is just a recipe for 2 people. Obviously this is gonna be different if you have a bigger family. We're gonna have 2 eggs. I have a little bit of parsley right here, and on that I have some breadcrumbs, all right, grated cheese, and of course a little bit of spices. I have a little bit of oregano, and then some salt, and then some pepper. And just to give a little extra flavor, I usually add maybe a teaspoon or tablespoon of garlic powder. Let's get to work right away. And this is a very simple recipe. You can fry it, you can just put it straight in the oven. You put a little pieces of butter, 10-15 minutes at 350, depend how thin is the meat. Okay. This is the finished product. I want to let you know that you can make this dish a day, 2 days before. You can just prepare it like that, the way I did it, and then the day that you want to use it, you can just fry it or put it in the oven. It's totally up to you. Okay, remember guys to subscribe to the channel, share this video with friends and family. Do hit the notification button, and if you guys make this recipe, just let me know how it came out. I will definitely see you next time. For now, I say goodbye and stay safe and stay home. Bye guys.